We are in South Africa today, and they have a dish called Snoek Braai. I don't know if I said that right, but it's basically, Snoek is a fish, is a type of fish. It's a white fish. So I couldn't find Snoek, so we are going to use tribe to pass. So I have 2 fillets here. I cleaned this up and scored it. So I'll just do the same with this one. Just clean it up a tad bit. It's fairly clean, so I think just a little bit here. And then we'll score these. And they grill this fish. This is a fish that will marinate in apricot jam. So we have apricot jam here. So this is half a cup of apricot jam. It's going to be a sweet grilled fish kind of a dish. We'll be basting it often. And then we have some white wine here, a little bit of soy sauce and some hot sauce mixed in here. This is olive oil, some lemon juice and garlic. So that's it. Then we'll mix this. We'll put the fish in here. I have a griddle heating up. We'll put it on the griddle and we'll cook it. Griddle is very hot. It has been heating over high. You can see how hot it is. You can see this has caramelized due to the apricot jam. We baste this. We'll turn this marinade into a sauce that we'll put over the fish. The fish with apricot jam is ready. So you can see the skin is charred really beautifully. We made a sauce out of the marinade, and then we're serving this with some coleslaw. That's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, bon appetit, and see you tomorrow.